In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record expenses on Xero. If you're using Xero for your accounting needs, entering your expenses accurately is crucial for maintaining complete financial records. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you need to access your Xero account. Head over to the Xero login page. Once you're there, you'll see the login fields. Enter your registered email address and password to access your account. If you've used Xero before, this should be familiar. It's important to always keep your login details secure and remember to update your password regularly to protect your data. After logging in, navigate to your dashboard. This is your main hub in Xero where you can access all the key features and functions. On the dashboard, you'll find various menus that help you manage different aspects of your business's finances. For this task, click on the Business tab. This is where you can manage your financial transactions, including your expenses. Under the Business tab, you'll see the option for expense claims. Click on that. Now, you're in the right place to start adding a new expense. You'll notice an option for new expense. Go ahead and select it. Next, you'll be prompted to choose an expense type. Select expense claim, which allows you to enter manual expenses, ensuring that all your financial outgoings are documented. Once you've done that, it's time to upload your receipt. This step is crucial for justifying the expense, especially during audits. Click on upload and select the receipt file that corresponds to the expense you're recording. Make sure the receipt is legible and captures all the necessary information. With the receipt uploaded, you'll now enter the specific details of the expense. Start by typing in the amount. Make sure to enter the exact sum as per your receipt, as inaccuracies can lead to reconciliation issues later on. Following the amount, type in a brief description of the expense. This could be something like lunch meeting with client or office supplies for Project X. Providing a clear description aids in financial tracking and explanations. Next, you'll specify where the expense was incurred. In the Spent At field, enter the name of the vendor or place associated with the receipt. Now, set the date of the transaction. This is typically the date on the receipt or when the payment was made. The next step involves selecting the appropriate account for the expense. This helps categorize the expense correctly within your accounting records, ensuring accurate financial reporting. Choose the account from the drop-down menu. Finally, once all the details are entered, you have three options: save draft, submit, or approve. If you're not yet ready to finalize the entry, you can save it as a draft. If everything looks good and you're authorized, you can submit it or approve it straight away. And if necessary, you can also record or itemize additional expenses separately to maintain clear records of each component of your financial outgoings. That's it for recording expenses on Xero. With these steps, you can ensure your financial records on Xero are comprehensive and up to date. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.